let her go, Mom. Now she's doing it. No, get back on your...
Mr. Kennedy is right. I should just enter the car.
Oh God, I'm soaking wet. It feels so good.
Now, let's not be too hasty. You're still young. There's plenty of time to join a convent.
Rub, 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 rub.
Well, actually, there is one person who's having an even worse time. A very sad little 12-year-old boy in a tux. Thought he was your date. No, I don't know what the fat content is. Stick it in your mouth, turn it, stick it in your mouth, and walk away. Enjoy your brown.
You done? Nope. Oh, now she's just gonna...